ACOPOWER Summit welding machine. Absolutely awesome. Running a mag drill. Last 5.5 hours. Still at 75%. Got me running the plasma cutter on the 240. This is an awesome machine. We're running the Hyperdyne plasma cutter with built-in air compressor. This plasma cutter can cut 5/8 thick plate. Running this on the 5000 plus. Been running this morning on the 240 volt 15 amp service. And I'm wondering if they'll up it to a 20 amp for me. Been running this machine for 5 hours straight. We're still at 75% battery power. Started out with 100. And even though the overload is just blinking, operation is flawless. Which means on a 15 amp service, it's running this machine to its maximum. Can't wait to start welding with it. We got 700 feet of welding lead. Starting out with 4/0, then we'll roll down to 2/0, and then we'll roll down to number 4. We're gonna be pushing a 1/2 inch penetration weld. Gonna run about 32 pounds of rod with it. The auxiliary power alone of the ACOPOWER lithium battery powered welding and fabrication machine. I can run this at 30 psi, pushing 5/8 thick plate like a hot knife through butter. Just keeps going and going and going like the Energizer Bunny. I'm telling you, this is the most powerful, most high-tech, state-of-the-art welding and inverter in the world. This gives us absolutely no limitations on site, none at all. Oh, slicker than snot.
That's got all kinds of power now.
Yep. Now with this battery-powered inverter welder, we'll be able to cut up to 5/8 with the plasma cutter. That is totally the bomb.